DIANNA, my rider. No pip, straight kush, smoking on that fire, smoking on anxiety. Met her up in middle school in Miss Diggs' class. She was plenty cool, shell toe tennis shoes, nameplate earrings. Yeah, she did a thizzing, and that smile was on bizzing, on her fingers gold rizzing. Yeah, I was watching, but I was in the closet, and they wanna cause no problems, but I swear that she was bad, like Michael Jackson bad. Never knew she would be everything that I never had. So serious, now mama, she was 1 in a million, and her smile was so bright, it'll shine through your spirit. Different lines I be hearing, but I ain't listening because I'm focused on my rider, cause she keep it so potent. She opened up her heart and let me heal it. It was broken, never thought I'd find a love like this, but now I know this, and we gon' ride, 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 say we gon' ride, say we gon' ride, 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 say we gon' ride. What is love? I often wonder, do they know what that means? Giving up the eyes for weeds, cause ain't no I in team. As I lie and I dream of her, my stress quickly vanished. I'm becoming more romantic, living up the love standards, left with this question: do I love you too much? If so, I don't give a fuck, cause this love thing, it suits us. I want it to be that to us part. People judge the love I have for this woman, and all I ask is, can I live? Can I live? Despite the fact that I can't give her no kids, can I live? Can I live? And play my role. She locked up in my heart forever. Life sentence, no parole. This shit never gets old, cause I love it. You know them haters gon' hate, and we just rise right above it, because love is in the air. And so off we stay higher than paper planes, smoking that fizz not eat. And we ride, 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 say we gon' ride, say we gon' ride, hey, and we ride, and we ride, and we ride, and we ride, say we ride, and we ride, we gon' ride, we gon' ride, we gon' ride, say we gon' ride, say we gon' ride, hey, Cocaine Chris. The introduction, late night, early mornings, great for music, all this shit.